you. So today we're gonna get inspired by a 13x6 blonde bob wig. So of course, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here as well as little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. So this wig is from a company that I've done a couple wig reviews for, and the name is LoveStory. Yes, I will always sign up for a LoveStory, and I feel like this wig will be very exciting and something to fall in love with. So this is, like I mentioned, which is very new to the Amazon wig world, is the 13x6 frontal. And what I absolutely really love about this wig is the color. So it says it's a 613 color, which when I got it, I was like, you know what, maybe a little yellow, because typically a 613 has like the slightest yellow blonde, while this color, if you can kind of see with my own hair, is actually pretty platinum, which maybe has the slightest little bit warm to it, but literally it looks like the exact color of my hair. I'm so excited. And then also what I'm gonna do with this wig later in the video is that I'm gonna show you how to create a little bit of a root, which is really fun. So this is a 14-inch bob right here, which is really great. And what's nice about it being 14 inches, that if you want it, of course, a little bit shorter, you know, just cut it. Just do whatever you like with it. And of course, the main star of the event is this giant lace front. I mean, wow. Can we just talk about that? This does have light lace as well. And this does actually have 4 combs since it does have so much lace. So there's 2 combs right here on the side. There is one right here back in the middle. And there is one back with the fasteners. So if you do want to create like a pony look or whatnot, you do have the lace bottom as well, which is really fantastic. And this is 180% density. And then also what I noticed is kind of minimal, but you'll probably notice it when I put it on more, but it has like kind of longer cut baby hairs, like just kind of sprinkled along the frontal. All right, so let's put this girl on. So this wig actually does come with 2 wig caps. So as soon as she arrives, you are ready to go. But I'll be using a wig cap that I got from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. I really like these wig caps. You can never go wrong with having a lot of wig caps in your life. Put my wigs on front to back. All right, so here she is, like straight just by tossing her on. Let's take a little look at this really great hairline. She is just really nice. I mean, look at this. That's like pretty amazing. With the hairline, I'm probably gonna just pull back my wig cap just a tad bit more, but really great, as you can see on the sides. It really just has a super natural look. You know, not that much to really do for plucking or whatnot. So let's just cut off this lace and see what she's all about. Okay, now I'm gonna take my wig brush and just brush her out very slightly. And she really didn't do much shedding, pretty low on that. Also, these hairs are really short with this cute little bob. Also, since she does have a lot of lace at the front, it would be best if, see like right here, if you actually just glued her down on the sides, if anything, if you didn't want to glue her down at the top. And of course, using the 2 classic pieces for that, got to be glue, and of course, the Ultra Gel right here. So since she is a 13x6 frontal, which means there's a lot of free parting that you can do with this wig, so I'm just gonna actually just drag my fingers, my easiest way. Of course, you can use a comb, but I do prefer actually just use my fingers. I feel it's just easier for me. And you can see like that straight up lace. Let's just do a little bit thicker lace. And let's just see over here. Straight up lace right there. Also with this wig, I do feel like sometimes with the free parting, it is kind of hard to change the part and like flip it around. Most likely you may need a little bit of heat product to really adjust it, as it was created to be down the center. Just as usual, like flip the wig cap around to see what kind of look she can give. So like if I move it over here to my right eyebrow, she really gives a super cute kind of shorter little bob right here. And of course, if I really liked it on this side, I would just trim this side up really lightly, really easy to do. Because flipping the wig cap around is honestly the best way that I like to change the parting. Of course, on the other side, it really gives this gorgeous, really cute bob at the bottom. All right, so now we're gonna create a root that is personalized to you. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna find any eyeshadow that you feel like will be the root color that you desire. I will actually be using the Morphe 35O palette. I'm just gonna be using a very light color right here. I believe I've used this one in the past for a root view. And I'm just going to, you know, pat it in like this. And of course, by doing this, you can create as small and as big of a root as you desire, because this is all about you. And I'm just gonna do it just very, very lightly, just so you can get the point. Whatever kind of root that you want, and as big and as dark and as a gradation as you prefer. The root color doesn't have to be brown. By all means, use a hot pink, a turquoise, a blue, like just have fun. That's what it's all about. So this wig, of course, is from LoveStory Wigs. So exciting to have another 13 by 6 frontal wig. And this is in the color of 613, which I feel is the perfect platinum butter blonde wig ever. So let me know if you have this wig or if you have another wig like this. I would love to know and see you in these wigs. So reach out to me on Instagram. That is a great way for you to send me photos of you being as amazing as you can possibly be. And remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So if you feel fabulous in a blonde platinum bob wig, wear it. Wear it, love it, and own it. I want to thank you, and we